This Southern chicken gravy recipe serves approximately 4 people, assuming each serving is about 1/2 cup of gravy. You'll need 2 tablespoons of chicken fat or butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of chicken broth, and salt and pepper to taste. If you happen to have drippings from cooked chicken, keep those handy for an extra flavor punch. Now let's create the roux. Warm up the chicken fat or butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. If you have those chicken drippings we mentioned earlier, this is the perfect time to use them. Once the fat has melted, sprinkle in the flour. Stir it in continuously, creating a smooth mixture. Cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes until it turns a delightful golden brown. Next, it's time to add a little depth with our chicken broth. Gradually whisk this into the roux, taking care to avoid any lumps. As you add the broth, whisk it in slowly to maintain a smooth consistency. Bring this mixture to a simmer and you'll notice it start to thicken. Now turn down the heat, allowing the gravy to simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to keep it from sticking. As it simmers, the gravy will thicken even more. Then season it with salt and pepper to your liking. Once the gravy has reached your desired consistency and is seasoned to your satisfaction, take it off the heat. Now, you're ready to serve this homemade Southern-style chicken gravy over your cooked chicken, mashed potatoes, or biscuits. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.